Have you ever pondered about the rich history embedded in the heart of the Italian monuments? Today, embark on an enlightening journey through time, discovering the allure of Italy's most significant landmarks. First, step back to ancient times in the bustling city of Rome. The Colosseum, an architectural marvel, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. Constructed over 2,000 years ago, the colossal amphitheater hosted gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and dramas. It remains one of the best preserved examples of Roman architecture, telling tales of a time long past. Next, journey to the Renaissance period in the enchanting city of Florence. The Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, known as Il Duomo, graces the skyline with its majestic dome, designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. This monument, completed in the 15th century, epitomizes the spirit of the Renaissance with its harmony, geometric precision, and innovative engineering. Moving on to the bustling metropolis of Milan, the Milan Cathedral, or Duomo di Milano, steals the spotlight. This stunning Gothic cathedral, with its intricate facades and towering spires, took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Spanning from the late 14th century to the early 20th century, it stands as a symbol of faith and endurance, reflecting the city's unyielding spirit. From Milan, travel to the serene canals of Venice. The St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, stands in all its grandeur in the heart of the city. Dating back to the 11th century, it features a unique blend of Eastern and Western architectural styles, embodying Venice's position as a bridge between two worlds. Next, venture north to Turin, where the Mole Antonelliana soars above the city skyline. Originally conceived as a synagogue in the late 19th century, it now houses the National Museum of Cinema, celebrating Italy's rich cinematic history. Finally, end this historical journey in Naples with the Castel Nuovo. This impressive medieval castle, constructed in the 13th century, showcases the robustness of military architecture, while its arcaded entrance and marble triumphal arch reflect the aesthetic sensibilities of the time. To summarize, this journey through time has taken you from the grandeur of the Roman Empire at the Colosseum to the architectural innovation of the Renaissance at Il Duomo. You've witnessed the endurance of faith at the Milan Cathedral, the fusion of cultures at St. Mark's Basilica, the celebration of cinema at the Mole Antonelliana, and the might of medieval architecture at the Castel Nuovo. Each monument, steeped in history, tells a unique story, forming a part of Italy's rich cultural tapestry. So the next time you find yourself in Italy, remember, you're not just observing buildings. You're stepping into a time machine, experiencing centuries of history, culture, and human ingenuity. And that, indeed, is the magic of these Italian monuments.